Ajax is ready. We're going to give him a DC test here. Single 280 motor. So let's see if we can hear anything. Not much. I ended up greasing this little bearing right there. And that makes a pretty big difference. Very smooth. Very smooth. One of the things I forgot was, I wonder if we're allowed to, since we rewired it, can we try switches with this? Let's find out. I don't know what's going to happen. We might not. We might go past the programming track part here and see if we lose power. Nope, we sure can do it. Oh, that's good. Totally forgot about that. Let's see him go through those two switches again. Let's bring him this way. See how he... Very smooth. Yep. So there they are. Everybody is good to go. Full DC tests have been done. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to build some work platforms. And then we're going to install decoders.